Nubia unveiled the redmagic 11 Pro series powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The brand is now reportedly working on an entry-level phone from the same series called the redmagic 11 Air. A few design renders of this smartphone have also been revealed, and as per these, the device will be featuring an overall boxy design with a flat display, flat rear, and flat side panels, slightly rounded corners. As per the TINA listing, the alleged redmagic 11 Air features a 6.85-inch OLED screen that offers a resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels. It has a 16-megapixel selfie camera, which could be integrated beneath the display. The redmagic 11 Air's rear camera setup has a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The redmagic 11 Air uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, as confirmed by a Geekbench run of a device with the model number NX799J. Its topmost variant may offer a 24GB plus 1TB configuration. The phone will run Android 16. Battery capacity of 6,780 mAh, which could be marketed as a 7,000 mAh typical battery, is officially confirmed to launch in January in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.